Alright, here we go with the new keybinds and the HOTAS, right? So, I'm going to start with this button up here. Battery and all the goodies on. Move over to this button here. Getting the APU started. We'll go key on next. Followed by APU on. Now we'll turn the fuel on. Once the APU's up, we'll start engine left and right with the center buttons here. APU's up. Turn both of those on. There we go. Wait for everything to come up. Looks like we're good. Flight mode. And APU off. That's how we start it. Want to turn everything off. Key off. Conts down. Fuel off. All the APU stuff off. All the electronics off. Just that simple.